So we're at the Arashiyama park looking at monkeys. They're all very cute.
I like these monkeys much better than I like, the other.
Chimpanzees? Yeah, I had chimpanzees in my mind.
Like really fluffy and small.
Right? And when I first had in mind was like chimpanzees and their red asses. I was like, might be cute. But then I saw these and I was like, oh yeah.
Yay, they're adorable. Better than expected.
Yeah.
Better than
You got a pretty awesome view. You pay, how much did we pay to get up here?
550.
Yeah.
Oh, 550.
550 for adults, and then it was something 220 or something like that for children. And you got sakuras blooming on the side. So if you're coming up here during spring, either now or in the future, yeah, or fall, because it's going to be pretty here with the autumn leaves, then yeah, you should totally come to Arashiyama. It's on the way, or rather pretty close to Kyoto. From here you can even see the Kyoto Tower. I'm not sure you can see it here, but yeah. So, some footage from the east. You guys have a good day. Say goodbye to the monkeys.